Hey, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourselves. I'm your English teacher, Archana Singh, welcoming you all to the English class. So, we will do the next topic, that is subject and predicate from English practice book. So, let's start with the worksheet number 1. Read the following. The monkeys took away the basket full of fruits. So, here the sentence is about the monkeys, the basket, or the fruits. The above sentence is about the monkeys. Let us divide the sentence into two. The monkeys, right, took away the basket full of fruits. That means the monkeys is subject, took away the basket full of fruits is predicate. The first part tells us who the sentence is about, the monkeys. पहला पार्ट किसके बारे में बताया जा रहा है, कौन है, क्या है, तो द मंकीज. द सेकेंड पार्ट प्रोवाइड्स अस मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द फर्स्ट पार्ट. और जो दूसरा पार्ट है वो पहले पार्ट के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बता रहा है हमें. टू कवे द बास्केट फुल ऑफ फ्रूट्स. ओके, सो द पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस दैट टेल्स व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस इज कॉल्ड सब्जेक्ट. जो बताया जा रहा है, जो जिसके बारे में बताया जा रहा है वो हो गया सब्जेक्ट. द पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस दैट टेल्स अस मोर अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में सबसे ज़्यादा बता रहा है, जो ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, उसको बोलते हैं प्रेडिकेट. सो एग्जाम्पल है सुमित इज रीडिंग एन ईमेल. तो यहाँ पे सुमित हो गया सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट हु द सेंटेंस इज अबाउट. इज रीडिंग एन ईमेल टेल्स अस व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट. सुमित इज डूइंग, सुमित क्या कर रहा है, ईमेल पढ़ रहा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज Neha has bought a book. Neha is the subject, has bought a book is the predicate. See, Neha, what Neha has done. Karan and Rohan were playing tennis. Karan and Rohan subject, were playing tennis predicate. The beautiful flower filled the air with its fragrance. Beautiful flower is the subject, filled the air with its fragrance is the predicate. Do the elephants have any teeth? Do the elephants is the subject, do have any teeth is the predicate, right? Who broke the chair? Who is the subject? Broke the chair is the predicate. Are you Ritu's brother? Are Ritu's brother predicate, you is the subject, right? Don't get confused. All sentences, questions, statements or commands have a subject or predicate. So now we will do worksheet number 2, then you will be able to understand. Divide the following into subject and predicate. I bought, subject, a book of fairy tales yesterday, predicate. Cinderella, subject, had 2 stepsisters, predicate. The 2 sisters, subject, were very cruel to her, predicate. Snow White, subject, was a beautiful princess, predicate. She, subject, was very lonely, predicate. Her, subject, stepmother wanted to kill her, predicate. Thumbelina, subject, could sleep inside a matchbox, predicate. Rapunzel, subject, was locked inside a castle, predicate. She had beautiful golden hair. She, subject, had beautiful golden hair, predicate. All these pretty ladies, subject, in the fairy tales become happy at the end, predicate. Okay, so read the following sentences from D3, the magic room. We yet have not done the magic room, so nothing to worry about. We will do the magic room chapter later on after completing the subject and predicate. Of English reader, underline the subject of his. It was wet and rainy day. It was subject. Only we have to underline the subject. Poppy looked out of the window. Subject is Poppy. Her is the subject. Parents were on a long holiday. Predicate. Aunt Bella, subject, had gone out to visit her friend. Predicate. A rusted key, subject, lay on a small table. Predicate. The walls were, subject, decorated with sparkly silver and golden stars. Predicate. Next one, match the subjects in column A with their predicates in column B. So, an aeronautic engineer makes and maintains aeroplanes. An interior decorator decorates the houses or offices. A web designer makes web pages. A news editor edits the news programs. A journalist collects news. An animator makes animations and cartoons. An event manager organizes and manages an event function. A music director composes the music of the song. An architect designed the layout of the building. A psychologist studies the behavior of people. Okay. Now last one is fill in the blanks with appropriate subject and predicate. See, who is your best friend? My father and I are best friends. His shoes were red in color. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort on 15th August every year. Okay, this is subject predicate. This is subject predicate. This is subject. Whole is predicate. Rohit's friends are shouting. Predicate. The tiger subject roared loudly. The sky subject is blue. Predicate. Who subject was the hero of the movie. Predicate. Okay. I hope you have all understood. And subject predicate, it's very interesting. We will do more worksheets on this subject and predicate so that you people will be able to understand the concept of subject and predicate. Okay, so by this we will end the class and the video too. So in our next video and in the next class we will meet with a new topic. Okay, so by this we will end the video and the class. Okay, see you in the next topic. So till then, bye, take care, and study hard, stay fit, respect your teachers and elders, and do your work on time and send me on time. Most important, study hard, stay fit, and do your best. Okay, so bye all of you, take care, bye.